Hello guys, Annyeong, Professor Upa here. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin is yung 4 elements ng Hangul, which is yung
10 basic Korean vowels, 14 basic Korean consonants, 11 complex vowels, and 5 double consonants.
dito muna tayo sa first element, which is yung 10 basic Korean vowels. Okay guys, eto sila. Okay, so screenshots nyo na. So nilagay ko na din dyan yung Romanized sound ng bawat character. Pero take note guys, as much as possible, huwag kayong masyadong magre-rely sa naka-indicate dyan na Romanized sound. Kasi hindi yan reliable, guide lang yan. Iba kasi talaga yung accent ng Korean sound sa accent ng English sound. Much better na mas mag-focus kayo sa listening kaysa sa pagbabasa ng Romanized sound ng Romanized character. Okay guys, so sound and pronunciation, next video na yan. Okay, kamsigo na. Payo, Annyeong.